Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to another video. So, today I am going to knock my paints over. Today I am going to do a color split. I have been seeing these beautiful pieces of art coming out of my friend Kanella Ciraco. And let me tell you something. I just absolutely love her style of Dutch pour. It is my kind of Dutch pour. So what I'm going to do is I am going to try to do something that would resemble what you see on her channel. If you have never seen Kanella Ciraco, please click on the link below in the description. And above right now, you are going to see an eye pop up. That will take you directly to her channel. She does all Dutch pours all day, every day, and she's mastered it quite beautifully. So I'm going to try to do one of these color splits. I've never done one before, and I'm all ready to go. So the colors I'm going to be using now, all paints are mixed with Floetrol and water. I will put the measurements in the description. It's important to remember, if I say that I mixed my colors with 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol, when you see a big, so for example, this would be, you know, an ounce of paint, an ounce of Floetrol, but for a bigger amount, you're going to have to double, triple, quadruple it. So for newbies out there, new people that are just starting to do this, you know, the measurement that I put in the description may not be enough for what you're trying to do. You have to, you know, do the math. Anyway, the color split is going to be white with this teal by golden on the other half, okay? And then going down the centers, we're going to have this luminous rose by Holbein. We're going to have some deep violet from Liquitex, I believe. I had to think for a minute there. This is Cobalt Teal from Golden. Then this here is Muted Turquoise by Liquitex. It's a soft body paint, one of my favorite colors. And then we have some Egyptian coin. The paint line's called Prism Pour. It's being sold by Colourarte, but not yet. Within the next week or two, these paints will be available. And this is extremely close to your 24 karat gold by Deco Art. And of course, for Colourarte, I have a coupon for those products in the description. So first thing I need to do is I need to take my white and kind of just cover the half of the canvas with the white. So I'm going to put a puddle down like so, and one over here. If you're new to my channel, I name all my blow dryers that I use. So today we are going to be using Miss Angelina Blow Lee. And here she is. She's in my Amazon shop. I like this one. It's a nice slender stick. I found out they do have a attachment for this that's not curved. I need to get it. I thought having the attachment for the Dutch pours would be this curved would be good. But if you don't aim it right, it's kind of hard to move the paints. So definitely, I would suggest getting one of the straight attachments. But yeah, I love this little thing. So what I'm going to do is use it to blow my paint around to cover half of the canvas. And I'm going to do that quietly for you. You want to make sure to get those edges covered good now before you do your design. Okay, so I got the white, got the blue. Now what I'm going to do is, and yes, I got a little bit of blue up in the white area, but that's all right because we're going to be blowing all kinds of colors around up there. What I'm going to do is I added in two more colors, I'm sorry. This is Mysterious by Art Minds. You can find that at Michael's. And then this was Mauve by Holbein. I got to add just a little more water to that to get it to loosen up because it's been sitting. Okay. And I think this is going to be a really pretty palette we're going to have here. It's much better. So I'm going to start with that one. We'll start with that. And I'm going to go right across. Right where the paint divides. The colors divide. Just like that. Okay? So there's that color. Then I'm going to add in this here. I'm going to add some of that in also, the teal color. Just like that. Then I'm going to put in some gold. Like so. Maybe too much, but we'll see. The Rose by Holbein. You have to have enough paint to go up and down, so just want to be mindful of that. This here is a deep violet. But I am notorious for using too much paint all the time. Here's the Mysterious. Really love that color. I'm going to get Leslie to make a color like that for the prism pour. That would be phenomenal. Here's my muted turquoise. And then one more pass with that first mauve I put down. Just like that. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to torch it really quick. And we are going to blow this baby out. Let me put some nice, quiet, relaxing music on for you. And just like that, a beautiful painting was created. Hey, now, can you say delicious? I absolutely love it. So there's a few parts that I didn't want to really try to get in here to move this area because I was afraid I was going to mess up that area. So this is where my airbrush comes in. This airbrush is in my Amazon shop. It's called the Master Airbrush. It's $60. It's the best thing since sliced bread. I'm telling you, I love this thing. You literally attach the nozzle, this rope, to the head and the other end of the rope to the body of this little thing here, turn it on, and go. Now, there is a little knob on top that you could adjust, you know, turn up or down for the pressure. Whatever it was on when it came to me is what I have it on. I never played with that. This is absolutely, unequivocally gorgeous. And I know that Kanella is going to be proud of this. I just got to finish it first. I'm not going to do too much to it because it's pretty nice the way it is. Just want to fix a couple of these areas. And then we'll be done. Even this little pointy guy, I'm totally fine with him. We're going to have it match up right here and right here. Okay, and that's it. I'm done with this. I am not messing with it. I'm just going to make sure the edges are coated, but I'll do that off screen. You don't need to see that. I just run my finger along the edges, but it's, oh, let me show you this. Let me shut up and show you. So this is my view. Okay, I'm going to put the flash on so you can see the metallics. Prism pour is working absolutely beautiful. This will get a coat of resin and hopefully find a new home. It's absolutely beautiful. So again, look at that. If you don't know who Kanella is, check her out. She does these all the time. It is really, really groovy looking. I like the little white cells just all through it. Very, very pretty. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Please comment. You can share your videos, the videos with your friends, families, family. Make sure you check out the links in the description below. I'm not going to rattle your ear off. I love you all, and happy pouring!